This video is sponsored by BuyMote e-shopping mobile app. This app is used to purchase all your household grocery products at a very competitive rate. Welcome to Digital Learners channel. In this video, let us see how you can add greetings based on time for your Hostinger website builder. First, I go to google.com and type Hostinger. I click on the link. I click on the first website. Now my Hostinger panel has been opened. On the right hand side, I log in using my Gmail account. On the left hand side, I click on websites and websites list. Now I scroll down. Here I select the website which is built using the Hostinger website builder. I click on edit website. My website opens now. Here I click on add section and create blank section. Now I adjust the height of the section using the arrow keys. On the left hand side, I click on menu, add elements. Here I scroll down and drag and drop the embed code into the newly added section. I close this window. Here adjust the width of the code and click on edit code. I delete the default code here. I open the notepad and copy the entire code and paste it here. Now I click on embed code. Now the greeting has been successfully added to the newly added section. I adjust the width of the greetings. And now I click on preview to see the changes. So this is how our website looks. So this looks odd somewhat. So I go back to the editor again. Here I drag and drop the clock into the newly added section. I adjust the width and height of the section. Now I click on preview. So everything is okay now. Again I click on update website. So the website has been updated. I click on visit site. So this is how our website looks finally. So based on the time here, you will get the good afternoon message here. Thank you.